SAE's been in the industry now for over 11 years, so quite a long time in the solar industry. We've sort of partnered up with Fronius back in about 2013, and yeah, we're just a long-serving company, Fronius, good quality, good parts, good after-sales support.
So as Australia is quite a significant market for Fronius, and especially in the single-phase market, we wanted to give back to the installer and also the customer. So that's why we brought these Golden inverters to Australia.
Here at SAE, we're extremely passionate about solar power and renewable energy. We tailor-made solutions for each of our customers to give them an ideal setup to ensure they've got a quality system there that's going to last them well into the future.
When we started the adventure, we were lucky because SAE offered to sponsor us with the solar panels. This is a small little school. It was just starting. We had no opening yet, and then we've been awarded this Golden inverter, which came all the way through the production line to us. So yeah, just amazed and so grateful. The gratitude was great.
Well, looking at the application that SAE put through, it was a very interesting project, especially of what they are doing here at the Living School, right? And looking at the big picture, also the quality install of SAE Group, that was definitely the way to go. And also looking again at what the school does here with the different teaching method, we can relate a lot with also the transition that we see happening with the renewable sector. Looking at Australia, we are one of the biggest markets for Fronius, especially on the single phase. So I can tell you we brought a lot of those units here, and we are getting good feedback from the market too, and they like the product, it's easy to install. So it was kind of due diligence from our side to make sure that we can give back to the installers in Australia and give them a chance to win one of those unique inverters.
The whole focus of Living School and the concept of a progressive model for the future is the greatest threat we have, is how do we get children to be engaged and people to be engaged in change around the needs for the future. Sustainability is about giving to tomorrow what we've got today. And if we keep on just burning up resources and continually materialism and buying and everything else, we're not going to have in generations to come what we have today.